Hello guys. Kungangini ukuthi umfazi eshashule imbiza indoda yomele eshashule imbiza. Sometimes uyabona amadoda eshashula.
Ay, Mama, that's good.
Kungathi ukuthi umfazi eshashule indoda eshashule. Uma upheka yakho uyashashula imbiza. Uyashashula imbiza uma upheka. Oh, kuyashisa. Kuyashisa le. Akungcono ukuthi umfazi wendoda eshashule yini. Ayibambeki inyama yakhona. Yachisa.
Come on.
Yachisa. Ivukile wakhe. Good morning. Today I'm doing my breakfast. I don't know this thing. Which in English by so. My last one she was saying is cucumber. I was saying it's cucumber. And then I don't know what you call it in English, but I know it in Ndebele. So these are sitting on my command. These are sitting on my command. Why didn't you guys end that? Why didn't you end that? So yeah, let's do our breakfast. Today our breakfast will be for amakomani. You can see how beautiful they are.
Ew.
So amakomani. Our breakfast. This one is white. That one is yellow. Which command? The amakomani amnandi ngai color because kula yellow kube la white. So I'm going to
green.
Layer yellow again. So le white, le yellow. So yeah, asipekeni breakfast yethu for today. Siyachinza. Ekhaya sithi masiqala ukudla amakhomani sithi siyachinza. So namhlanje silathi siyachinza ukudla amakhomani.
Yeah.